All right, hey, good morning here. There's the sun. Now you can see me. All right, here we are. The rig's parked way down the hill down there. Here's the home. It's hardy board, and it has a lot of stuff on the drip edge up there, and the whole place is quite covered in algae and mold. See how the gutter is? All right, we're going to be removing these flower things off of here. Going to be removing that stuff off the porch. Some of these pillows off of here. Chimney's got some black algae on this side over here on this. We'll get that all off of there. And look at these screens, how green they are. Okay, so we're going to start the job right here with the screen so we can get a good soaking. Just take a look around. This stuff back here isn't too bad. We'll be able to get some chlorine on all of that and blow all that stuff off that drip edge up there. Place will look good. The pool isn't too bad. The screens are. The deck has to be cleaned off with algae and all that stuff, and blow some of this air, get away from the screens when we're cleaning it. Other than that, it's not too bad back here. All right. Gonna have to move some stuff around. A couple plants right there, pull them back away. Like I said, that's not too bad up there. We can reach all that from right here. All this is going to be cleaned up. Get behind here just by moving a couple things around a little bit and get behind that ladder. But if there's a couple little things in your way, you got to move them. Look how dirty that roof is. He's talking about getting the roof clean too, so I can hit this roof from maybe a couple little ladders, and I don't need to get up there. That's a steep pitch, but that'll clean. Look how dirty that roof is. They had a garden going at once. Move these plants away from the building. We're not doing any of the concrete. He's pointing stuff like that out. Green up there. That's what he's most concerned with. And we have this stuff up here. Just green stuff around. And you see these wires? See that? All that stuff will clean up too. All right. Let's get this pillow off of here. We'll just throw this stuff over here. All right. We're going to start the job back there by the screen. Then we're going to come all the way around this way. All the way as far as that hose will get me. Should get me to the back of this garage right here. Then I should be able to go just right down the side of the house through the pool to get the rest of that stuff out back. All right. We'll set that pillow there. And let's get after it. Okay, now I'm going to be giving some tips today that I was given by an engineer, you know, and I never saw anybody do what I just did till I talked to this guy. Okay, GT Builds over at Ameritech. He knows a lot about pressure cleaning. He owns Ameritech. Okay, now what I did was I just laid the SH up in the screen. You can see it's going to start eating all this green stuff out of here. By the time we go all the way around to finish this house, which by the way, got the whole back of it done all the way over to there. Like I was telling you at the beginning, we can get the rest from over that side of the pool. All this has been treated. The chimney's been treated on this side. You can see the black's already gone away. All right, and I did that with the tall reach tip, the original tall reach tip. You know, the 0060 tip. The tip that does it all, Paul. If it's tall, it does it all. And we'll get this other black stuff off of here. This customer's going to be very happy. We'll be back to do the roof, I'm sure, and some other things around here when he needs it. Driveway looks like I might need it too. All right, let's get after it, folks.
That's what I'm gonna throw upside your head. I said a big baby. That's what I'm throw upside your head.
All right, let's have a look. The gutters are getting nice and white and pearly. That black line is nice and light. The chimney's getting a little lighter. We'll just have to take a, might have to get the extension rod out and get that up there. No problem, right? I got a 32 footer, a 20 footer. We got lots of stuff to take care of it. All right, you see how white this is here? You see how green and moldy this is here? There's a big difference. See that? White, green. Starting to come nice and clean over here, okay? Go ahead and get this out of the sun. The sun's killing the picture here. All right, you'll be able to see it now. It's gonna turn real nice, real fast, okay? Having a tall reach tip, 0060 with an 8 gallon a minute machine. You got a 4 gallon machine? Get the 0030 or the 0040. It'll work just as good for you. All right, let's get after it, shall we? All right, let's get after it. I think you get the idea, right? All right, let's get after it. You can see how much, look how nice and white that is right now, huh? All right, let's hit the low parts.
Well, I can't understand it, baby, the way you treat me like you do. I'm gonna chalk a brick, baby. I'm gonna chalk a brick at you.
All right, let's have a look at this pearly white house. Once we get the wash jet tip out and hit these edges, everything's gonna be perfect, but everything is sparkling clean. When the guy comes out, he's gonna shit, okay? We got both cars rinsed off, really nice. All the mold and pollen. Look at us, look at how bright this is. You know, he was pointing out the green stuff on the gutters. this stuff right here earlier. It's gone. It's white, white, white. He said he had to paint it. He don't got to paint it. Look at these gutters. White, 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 all the way down. We're all SH all the way down to here. We'll put a little bit more SH here. I was standing way down there when I did it. You can see it on the ground right there. I got tips to spray the Kingdom Come over here. All right, we're going to come around the back here and we're going to get this. Going to get it right from where we're at. It looks like, huh? It looks like we have this silly tripod here. It's on an angle. I busted the clamp, so I'm having to kind of make things work here on its own. All right, that's not even very dirty. We're just going to SH and rinse it off. All right, let's get after it. Then, like I said, when we come out that pool cage, we'll be able to shoot the back of the house right there. I might even be able to reach it right here. Let me see how much hose I got. All right, let's get after it. All right, let's have a look. We started here this morning, and that's some nasty green stuff, so we're gonna have to put some more SH on the screens. We're done with the house. The house looks great. Let's go around and have a look. Everything's nice and bright and white. Clean up this furniture for them. It's nice and clean and white. All the gutters are spotlessly clean. Chimney's nice and clean again. Come around the side here. I want to look into the sun. Look at how nice and white. The place looks immaculate. All the peaks are done. All that lumber up there is good. All this little trellising is all nice and clean again. He was pointing out a lot of green mold. It's all gone. Algae, whatever you want to call it. Remember I was telling you about these wires? Look at that. Wow, they look brand new again. Whoop. There's a little spot right there. Anyway, that's a little mark on the wire. Let's go around this way. He was pointing out all the green stuff along this edge. It's all gone. The place looks nice and good. A piece of grass debris there. Look how nice and clean the gutters are, and I was able to go all the way around. Might as well take a lap, because we're going to go through the pool cage and check out what we got back here. All right, this job's almost close to being done. This is all done. It's all looking good over there. All right, we're done all the way. The back of the house is done. All right, I laid some stuff in the screens. This looks like it's working pretty good back here, because it wasn't that bad. You can see the white. You can see the white right there. This is a little green because I didn't hit it that good from way down that end. But we're going to put another coat on this. And I need to go get an extension wand so I can get the back of those right there. So we're going to run down and get that, then we'll get after it. Let's get after it. let's take a look. We went ahead and treated the screens again. Now I can see that it's going to work just fine. So you can't see through those screens because of the soap. Same on the back here. See that? See that soap? It's eating whatever's in the screen right out of there. This one needed a second coat. Look how thick that is. All right, let's go in here and take a look at the pool. There's not much dude around here. Just want to get this stuff off the screens. And we want to get everything just rinsed off. It's pretty clean back here. So we're just going to put this baby over here. I'm just going to go ahead and chlorinate everything down. SH everything, the kingdom coming back. Rinse everything off, and then we're going to reel back to the truck. We're going to go eat some lunch. And we've got 2 more jobs on the schedule. Today I'm going to do an elderly guy a big favor. I'm very popular over there at the Brentwood Estates mobile home park, and I'm going to get a little bit even more popular today because I told the guy, the lady asked me if I could do a favor for an elderly guy that's living here. It's on very limited income. Well, you know what? I'm not on a limited income at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show up today, and the guy thinks he's paying $100 to get his mobile home cleaned today. That was a pretty good discount for that. Not much of a discount, but it was a discount. Well, I've been thinking about it over the weekend. You know what? I'm going to make that guy's day. And hopefully when I'm old, somebody does the same for me. You know? Maybe pay it forward, maybe. Who knows? That isn't what I'm looking for. But I feel like doing a kind thing today, and I'm going to do the mobile home for absolutely nothing. I'm going to do a free wash today just because I have a good heart and I like to help people. All right? I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get this job done. Let's get after it. Alright, everything's all SH'd. Pavers are looking spiffy. All we gotta do is rinse all this stuff off. And then we'll be eating some lunch, like I said, and we'll be getting on to the next job. Looking forward to putting on some smiles on some people's faces today. In the mood to do a good deed. So that's what we're gonna do. And we'll go to bed with a clear conscience, as always, and feeling good. Alright? Integrity. That's what it's all about, folks. Let's get after it. Alright, let's have a look around. Look at those screens, man. Hey, I can see clearly now. Hey, who's that remind you of? What crazy duo does that movie come from, huh? All right, all the screens are done. The house looks beautiful. This is a complete job, folks. That's gonna be it. Let's get after it, go get some lunch. We'll see you at the next job. I'm Don from Super Blast, and that's a wrap. I don't know about you, but when I look at that house right there, it looks beautiful. All right, that job only took 2 hours and 20 minutes. That's a pretty big job I just did. All right, I just wanted to time it, see for myself what I did there, and let you know how easy it is to get it done. All right, let's get after some lunch, shall we? Happy Monday. All right, here we are, standing next to the Super Blast rig and vehicle. All right, we're gonna start the job in there. The speeds we're gonna estimate all the way, everything, the ceiling, all that. Not even get the outside over here, right, along there. Then we're gonna estimate down the side. We're gonna rinse it all the way back, get all this driveway rinsed off, head to the back. There's a screen porch back there as well. So let's get started. Let's have a look. All the green algae's off, all the white, everything's looking nice. And you notice I'm staying way back from the vinyl, okay? It's not oxidized, but just in case you run into a mobile home that's oxidized, just train yourself to stay back from vinyl siding. This way you'll never have an issue. You know what I mean? Because the day you run into one with oxidation really bad, and you pull up on it with your wand, what's going to happen? You're going to leave wand marks, and they're not going to like the Wandville is jokes you're going to have. Anyway, let's get after the satisfying rinse of all this, then we're going to head to the back. All right, let's get after it. All right, that's all there is to it. That whole inside's done, everything's done. Moved that little plant out of the way, got behind it, moved those so they didn't get chlorine. Cleaned up this little outdoor thing there. All right, now all we gotta do is rinse this one little section off and we are done, all right? No need to watch that happen. We're gonna be heading up the road here to go to this elderly guy's house, and we're gonna do a free wash today, folks. And that's gonna make me feel good, and it's gonna make the old guy have a little bit of relief. All right, we'll see you down there. Let's get after it. All right, here we are. We're at the last job, and the guy answered the door. He came out. You know, he's very disabled. He can move around, but he needs some help. He's low on money. He came out and said, "Man, I just don't have any money." And I said, "Well, it's your lucky day, bro. You don't need any money." He's the happiest guy on the block. It's making me feel good right here. All right, guys. We're gonna get after it and make this guy even happier. All right. I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. All right, we're gonna start back here in the back. That's where it's the worst. So whenever you can help somebody out, you know, you don't have to do it all the time. This is gonna be my first job I've done for free, so you know, gotta do something once in a while. Pay people back. Never know when you're gonna need help, right? All right, let's get after it. This is the moldy part back here. He said it was real bad. It's really not that bad. We're downstreaming, right? Let's get after it. Wow, what a difference, huh? Look at that, downstreaming. Got rid of even that orange stuff down there, the tough algae. All right, all we got to do is put a little bit more up there. I don't think I even hit that up there. What a dummy. Anyway, we'll put some up there, and then we're going to do the satisfying round. So, all right, this is it. And then it's going to happen, man. I got to call the guy. They're going to come pick up the drums, and it's going to be the end of an era. All right, let's rock and roll. All right, that's like a night and day difference. Looking new. It should keep him off the guy for a little while. You think? See all the brick down there in the bottom? Nice and clean. Look. You know, that's just what they pick on you about. They don't care if you're disabled and don't have any money. They just want the damn place cleaned up. All right, now all we got to do. Go right on down, right across the front, right on down the side there. Then we'll be out of here, all right? Let's get after it. Look at that monster, it looks great. But you know what? I need to practice what I preach, right? Don't ever do a job and leave the driveway. Let's get after it. that's gonna be a wrap, folks. Got the driveway all cleaned up. Everything looks great. You guys are gonna be very happy. I feel good about helping somebody out that needed some help. You know what I mean? All right, I'm Don from Superblast. And that's what I call getting after it. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Another nice day tomorrow. Get after it.